Fib.NQ on the 2. Fib.NQ on the 1.
Alrighty then, mic check. Mic check. What day is it? Is it Wednesday?
Fib.NQ.
Holy shnikes.
Fib.NQ on the 1.
The holidays are upon us.
NQ on
Hope
the
everybody had a fantastic Thanksgiving. We've been busy getting things going. I hope you're ready. Let's go. That's not the right one. It says bottom left, but that is not the bottom left panel. One moment. Is it this one? No, that's top left. Is it this one? All right, we'll leave it right there. A lot of changes coming into 2024. Looking forward to destroying the entire ICT fraud network in a trading competition that they claim they're going into. Big talk, but they never walk. Let's see if they do after 2023. What do you guys think? Put it in their comments there. Do you guys think ICT is going to actually go? I think he's going to make some excuse, but in the outside chance that he actually does, either way, going to be a win for all. All right, so I'm looking at the MACV, and I want to see if we get a masher opportunity for our biggest play. The mic sounds good today. Yeah, thank you, Pablo, by the way, for your comment in the last video when we were doing the live stream. Yeah, there were mic problems big time there, and I was able to figure out what that was thanks to I'll just pull up what it is in case you guys are having any issues. Actually, I need to turn this off while we're here too. So we're gamers, right? So first thing we need to do is turn off this real-time protection while we're gaming. Has nothing to do with our software being a virus. Has to do with the fact that if you're a gamer, you want all of the horsepower out of your PC and nothing interfering. Secondarily, on your sound settings, this right here continuously adjusts on its own. I do not know. Maybe it's the Windows 10 that I have. Maybe they fixed it in 11. Okay, that's really weird. Why did that just go away? I was on this page and then it just flipped. Okay, there it is. So I set this to about 85. That seems to be good. And that thing, when I opened it up after Pablo had mentioned it in the last video, it was somehow down at 28%. I don't even know how that happens, but Windows will auto adjust for you thinking they're trying to help you out, and it's terrible. Okay, so those of you guys who are new with us, wondering why the background is changing on the chart. Remember, that is our psychology module with the overlay. I'll turn the background change off, but we'll get a big blue X when the speed gets a little bit too slow. We want it above 30 is the setting I've got set to on the psychology module. If we're above 30,
J-hook short NQ on the 2.
then we're playable. The ideal is still 45 to 75, kind of like driving a car. Best speed, 45 to 75 miles per hour. So we can adjust that. I may bump down to the ones. And right now I'm playing off of primarily two charts. Yes, we can glance up at the higher time frames. Let's look where we currently are. Higher time frames. This bar is not completed, so we probably still have some additional space down to the 15,831. So I'll be looking for shorts here. Same thing I'm seeing here. I see reds. So primarily to the short side right now. Speaking of, there's one right now. I'll go ahead and take this beautiful little Enigma short right here. I'll go ahead and go half position. It's with the favorable and the MACV. Speaking of, switch. So MACV Ultimate right now is red. I don't have that showcasing right now in this format. Let me see if that will. Why my bottom left thing was not working properly.
Target filled.
Pretty easy one right here. Target 1 filled. Hey, what's up, Pip Thing? Good to see you, my friend.
Target. Target.
Harmonic NQ on the 2.
All right, all targets filled there.
Harmonic NQ on the 1.
I'd like to know why does my bottom left panel look like this? See if I can figure this out here for a moment. What is that on the right? Oh, I know what that is. Got the wrong button for the MACV Ultimate window. How's that? Hey! There we go. I was like, I thought we'd fixed that problem. Oh, and we don't have the lights on. Here we go. Ah! Ha ha! How about that? How about that action right there? All right, we're one trade down there this afternoon on our 5 trade sheet here. Winner, winner, chicken dinner. Let's see how far we can go. We're at 1,500 on the day. You guys got questions? This is the time to ask. The market's a bit slow here, and I'm coming out here today. I'm here for you guys. I'm here to help you in the crew. You guys got questions around anything? Do let me know.
Fib.NQ on the 6. Divergence up NQ on the 9. Fib.NQ on the 1 said we are live on YouTube. If you'd like to join us, emoji this.
Okay, psychology module's telling me that the 2s are a bit slow here. So we'll come back up here to the 1s and let's take a look.
Fib.NQ on the 2.
Okay, red dot by itself. Not going to play that. Which one of these has my timing lines? Timing lines, we are on the other side of a king timing here. 1, 2, 3. This looks a bit like a 4-legged dog trap. Got to be careful here. 2, 3. Only the 3rd leg. Okay, so we're not 4-legged dog trap yet.
Fib.NQ on the 6.
Hey, Mr. Roman, how are you, sir?
Harmonic NQ on the 2.
Okay, we finished out that previous bar, and it is an ignition bar. So I still, for right now, we're still going to be continuing to look for an additional drop of another 89 to 100 ticks, according to the 89 range here. So initial bias still looking to the short side for the plays. We have not seen a retail cross in a while. Way back here. All right, big guys stepped in right here.
Harmonic NQ on the 2 on the 1. Fib.NQ on the 2.
There's a HMD, good enough for a shot here. A bit behind on that entry, so I'm gonna have to target one it.
Target filled.
Harmonic
Target
NQ
filled.
on the 2 on the 6.
And I'll close it out right there. Target one play. Trade number 2.
Harmonic
Easy little HMD. If you know that was an HMD, type HMD in the chat. If you don't, type a 2. Let's see how many people we have hanging out here. If you are not familiar with what that is, let me know. All right, I'm going to give us a little shot right here. We saw the big guys step in here. This is against favorable direction, so I've got my finger over the close quickly here, but we'll see if we can get a scalp capture out of an Enigma long right here, and I'll see if I can get anything out of it. This will be trade number 3. Looking to see if I can get lucky out of this and catch a scalp.
Divergence up NQ on the 30 dot.
No, does not look like it.
Fib.NQ.
Closing her out here. Break in the back there. Unfortunate. There's a blue dot coming right back in behind it.
DCDMNQ on the 2.
Okay, give it one more shot here. That could be trouble. Yep.
Fib.NQ on the 2.
Reversing.
Harmonic NQ on the 2.
Yeah, it feels like we're going to reverse here. Or maybe a little 20 or 30 touch here.
Harmonic NQ.
I'm going to take the risk here. I'm going to get it. I'm going to get it long. I'm going to go for a full position here, targeting up into that crab harmonic up above. I think they're going to fake it here. All big money, step in before. As soon as they try to start to get in short right there, a break of the back of that harmonic, and I'll add to position, and we'll see if we can touch into this one right up above with a runner up to cipher target above. Big money came in here. Let's see if we get that touch.
NQ on the 1.
Okay, looks like a four-legged dog trap. We got 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh, is it gonna get it? Pick it up. There you go. Pick it up off of that shark. Nah, they're taking me out. Boo. All right, I'll close it out. Taking a loss. Oof. Oof. Bet a bit big right there. I still feel like, again, 1, 2, 3, 4 on the dog leg trap. If I get that entry point. All right, here we go. I'm retrying one more time on that play. Gonna go for a full position there. I'm going to, where are my stack buttons here? I'm going to stack. I'm going to stack and close and see if we get a run on that. 2 minutes till the bottom of the hour. Awesome to hear it, Diego. Still have not seen a white cross in a while.
Enigma short on the
Oh, there it is. Yikes. Okay, that is a problem. Please break that.
fib.nq on the 2.
Really don't want that moonshot to push short right there. I got my finger over the close. Really want to see a backbreaker off of that and then a push up to that 15,846.50. Hopefully. If not, we start to break down here. Got to bail. All right. Hopefully that is retail adding to their position here. I'm going to play against them on that. If we've read that properly. Four-legged dog trap. And smaller. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Everybody thinks, okay, I'm going to get that big leg down. Hopefully they're pushing short. They get wrecked off of the back of that, and hopefully that gives us enough to rip up above. At least that's my plan. If it works, great. If it's not, I'm in a red day. We've only got 30 minutes left to the close.
Fib.NQ on the 2. Fib.NQ on the 1. Harmonic NQ on the 2. Harmonic NQ on the 1.
You're asking if the yellow line is today's low? No. Oh, well, actually it is. It just happens to correlate with it. But it's this is this red dash line. This is the low of day right here. From our tools. But yeah, technically, as Baus is saying, it is a DCDM target, yes. It happens to also be low of day though, yes. Pretty close, within ticks. So everybody get that this is a four-legged dog trap? If you see the four-legged dog trap, type the word dog in the chat.
Enigma short on the NQ2.
All right, we'll go ahead and close up half right here into the Enigma, because that Enigma is very powerful. It could push us back down. We'll look for a place to possibly re-enter, but yeah, sure enough, here she comes. So that may be the end of that move. Remember, big picture, we still know, we looked at the 89 before, this has room to drop, right? It did pin bar this, right? We don't know that it's going to continue up, right? It could come right back here and just drop, right? So we do need to keep that in mind. Yeah, as it's doing right there. So back to the point of entry for the rest of my position here. I love how I have paid moderators and nobody answers the questions in the chat. A lot of things are going to get changed in 2024, I'm telling you. Yeah, I have to assume that that white cross right there, we first assume that that is retail. That looks, the short side is too easy. So it's more than likely not, but who knows? Broken clock is right twice a day. Kevin, you can waste all the money you want, my friend. Don Trady claims that AlgoBox didn't work out for you. Bro, you don't even know our trading schedule. You're coming out here asking like what we do. Like, you're so lost. How could you say you gave AlgoBox a real shot? Really? Prove it. What's your Discord username? No, I'm not done with my seat work yet. Yeah, I'm pretty sure he's trolling. If not trolling, though, prove it. But then I'll make a point that when somebody doesn't even know when you go live and they're like, "Oh, I gave it a good shot." Really, you don't even know how we go into live streams or when we go into live streams. Come on, bro. Yes, my toxic behavior. I just because I don't put up with morons, you call it toxic. That's funny. Why am I live streaming? It's a good question. I don't have to live stream. In fact, I don't very often. That's what's funny. But you claim that you failed with it. Prove it. You came here for my toxic behavior. I'll give it to you. Your logic is flawed. I mean, think about the logic of this question. Why are you live streaming if you trained thousands to be profitable traders? How does that make any sense? How are those two correlated? Listen, if you fail with our system, it's because you're stupid. Literally, like you can't even make a logical argument. Like you have a logical fallacy in your statement, which you claim as a question. Stay broke, bud. Stay broke. Look at how I treated Coop. Oh, I'm glad you brought that up. We're going to talk about Coop. How about that? Oh, I'm at the end of this video, as soon as I'm done crushing the markets here and making more money than you've made all year in a couple of days, I'll go ahead and close out there on that red cross right there. There's a ginger guy with 200 views losing money. What does that mean? A ginger guy with 200 views losing money. I don't know what that means. Again, you ICT Muppets, you lack brains, and you're upset that I point that out. You call it toxic because you're a female. Okay, so let's talk let's talk about the coop thing. That's fun, actually. Thank you for segueing that, so I didn't have to bring it up myself. So Coop was promoting a retard. Are you familiar with that? On Twitter, and he's promoting his quote unquote, he says his friend. I was just promoting my friend on YouTube. Do you think it's a good idea to promote YouTube garbage? I don't. I happen to think that this industry needs a cleanup. I happen to stand for, if you don't have a track record and you can't do it live in front of people, then shut the F up. You have a problem with that? That's what I stand for. So when we have a guy in my crew who's in our room, who's a vocal member of our crew, who is out there promoting some other nonsense. So is he just a promoter? Because he's like, well, I promoted you too, Vinny. Okay. How, again, the failed logic. So you're a promoter. You just want to promote. Well, then you're out, bro. I don't want to have anything to do with your nonsense. What's your point? Coop spent 12 months promoting me? Prove that. Prove that. 12 months? One video is 12 months? That's funny. Dude, when I told him to stop smoking weed, he got upset. Okay, I literally told him to improve his trading, he should stop smoking weed. I'm not joking. So you think that I should treat Coop with respect? Okay. We disagree. So what?
Two finger NQ on the 34.
Yes, if you come to me and ask me for advice on your trading, which Coop did, and I told him that he should stop, he was admitting that he, was smoking weed while he's trading. You think that's a good idea? I said it was a bad idea. He got offended by that. Next. Then he wants to go promote his friend who has no track record, who's broke as fuck, just like you, telling people how to trade. You think that's a good idea? I happen to think that's not a good idea. Yeah, at the end of the day, I just don't think there is not a better product than Algo Box out there for picking out pinpoint entry locations for great trades. It's evident. You're over here talking about my personality. Bro, I can't stand morons. I can't stand people like Coop. So what? What's your point? So he made a genuine review video about me, and then he took it down. Next. Why? Because he's offended because I told him that he should stop smoking weed while he trades. Ooh. Oh, you're so offended? You little children these days melt like snowflakes. Oh, boo-hoo. He told me I should stop smoking weed, man. You believe that shit, bro? I'm going to promote you on YouTube. Funny. Prove it that I told him to stop smoking weed? Sure, bro. Let's pull up his chat conversation with me. He was also talking about all kinds of drama with people in direct messages. Told him to stop direct messaging people. He got mad about that. We have a no DMs rule. Like, bro, talk about it in public. He's a little girl. You know, let's go gossip in private. Talk shit about Vinny. He's mean. We're not here to be nice. This isn't a dating service. You guys think it is because you like my balls. You like my giant P&L. It's gay, bro.
Fib.NQ on the 9.
Some of us like to win. I'm pointing out if AlgoBox is so great. Here we go with the if, right? If it's so great, then, right? All right, so let's listen to your logic fallacy this time. I'm going to go ahead and read it. What does it say? If it's so great, why Vincent with 64 viewers has no success stories? Oh, so it goes back to success stories. Do you want success stories? No, I'm genuinely honest. Do you want me to ask for success stories? Do you want me to ask and bring people out here and interview, and is that going to do it for you? I just don't think people want to be troubled with it. We could go and I could ask people in our room to volunteer to come forward and tell us your stories. We can do that. I feel like them showing their P&Ls in the testimonial section is more powerful than somebody coming over here who you have no idea if someone has paid or has given them some financial incentive to come and chat about it. So that's what you need. So Don Trady, you said that you were one of my members and that you failed. What is your Discord username? Prove it. Oh, look, he's walking away. See, so you come and you actually address their issues, and then they're like, oh, y'all have a good day. I'm out of here. This is toxic. No, you lost the argument. And you walk away like a little girl. Oh, I'm gonna talk to you. I'm gonna be passive aggressive.
Fib.NQ on the 34. Fib.NQ
350 Algo.
Fib.NQ on the 2. Fib.NQ on the 2. Fib.NQ on the 1. Enigma long on the NQ2. Fib.NQ on the 1. Fib.NQ on the 1.
Okay, what didn't I answer? I'll answer it right now. What did I miss? I'm scrolling up the chat. You asked, number one, here can prove anything. I was being genuine. I would have gave it another blast. Okay, I asked you for what is your username in Discord to prove that what you're saying is true. Number one, you still haven't given me that. So again, you're unwilling to prove who you are. Okay, so you want to be in the shadows, whatever. Okay. And now you're pointing out viewer count. So because I have 64 people here on a live stream, it's end of day. Like, so what? People have already traded in the morning. You think that they need to be here for the live streams? Well, I've already proven the fact that the software is so good that they don't need me. No one needs me. Raise your hand in the chat. Do you actually need me out here live streaming, walking through this stuff? Or have you been trained enough? You know what a headshot is. Do I really need to go, hey guys, there's a headshot right there. Hey guys, the moonshot. Oh, it's an Enigma. Oh, big guy's coming in on the reds on the red Alpha Omega Cross. Not hard. What the F? My username in Discord proves anything? You said that you failed with AlgoBox. I don't believe you. I don't believe you. You have to be completely fucking stupid to fail with a system like this. And yes, there are stupid people. There are people who are stupid. I can't fix stupid. Okay. At the same time, I don't think that you should be trading if you are stupid. I mean, that's just my opinion.
NQ on the 1.
Because it fails 99% of the time. See, again, you speaking in hyperbole. It makes no sense. Makes no sense. Enigma right in front of you failed. Oh, there are those. See, you think that every signal is supposed to be a winner too. Again, you didn't go through the training. You have to combine things. Okay, so you don't know what the MACV filter is? What color is the MACV filter right now? Can you see it on the live stream or no? What color is the MACV?
DCDMNQ on the 6.
Answer the question. What color is the MACV? Could you have a hard time looking at this over here? It's hard for you to see? And you think that a green Enigma is supposed to work when this is solid red. Again, you're stupid. Now, can I turn this off? Yes, there's a setting for that. I can go into the Enigmas. I can go and I can turn it off and let it have Enigma filters. I like to use them. I like to leave them. I've explained this in videos. I like to leave them there so I can see them. The event still occurs. I like to count the Enigmas. It's called cadence. Oh, another thing, you didn't watch the videos. So you claim that you did though. Said that it's red and you went long. Oh, you're talking about this one? Yes, because there was a four-legged dog trap in front of it. Wow. Oh my word. You can't fix stupid. You literally can't fix stupid. So again, a person who thinks that every signal is supposed to be, so just don't show me, you want a system that says, don't show me a signal unless it's a winner. That's what you want, right? And you also don't want to increase your trade size in trades 1 through 5. It is a full system, all in all together. It's incorporated.
Fib.NQ on the 6.
Anyhow,
Fib.NQ on the 1.
Stay broke, bro.
Fib.NQ on the 2.
We don't have a schedule. I'm not a YouTuber. I don't have to come out here every single day. Hilarious.
Enigma
Like,
short on the NQ2.
People have a live stream on their computer 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, because that's how AlgoBox works. You don't need me to point out the same things over and over again. You know the rules, you know the tools, you can execute on them. Very simple. Yeah, it's no wonder if you truly used our system and if you failed, which you won't prove, all I ask you to do is prove. Like, what's your name in Discord? Prove it. Why is that hard? Again, you're lying. I don't know why you guys lie so much. You're jealous. Actually, I know why. You're jealous. Okay? You're broke. Got no kids. Okay.
Fib.NQ on the 1. Fib.NQ on the 1. Harmonic NQ on the 2.
You've missed 7 months and nothing changed.
Divergence up NQ.
That's hilarious. Nothing's changed. I'm hiding P&L because I'm a fake guy. Is the P&L not on the screen? Y'all, can y'all help me out here? How retarded is this? I gave it a bash. Is that a thing? Can you define the word bash? I gave it a bash. Where are you from? How old are you? Not done anything in a while. You guys are clutching silly things. What does that mean? A lot has changed. I mean, we literally have audio box in the installer now. We have, there's all kinds of things. Do you even, you're saying that these buttons aren't new. You're saying that the half and double and the flat and all is not new. The spread targets is not new. You don't know, bro. Okay, bro. All of this even matters. That's not even a statement. All of this even matters. Can you not form English sentences? Is English not your first language? Is English a second language? Are you ESL? Is that what's up? Having problems with communication? No problem if it is. But like, you start with the phrase, all of this even matters. So when someone says, who's the last guy to win a competition with this groundbreaking software? That's the question. The competition. So it's a competition. Bro, I have won every competition I've ever been in. We have already just talked about it. There's another one coming this next year. I'm going to showcase it all. I'm going to absolutely destroy and annihilate ICT. I'm going to destroy the record of Larry Williams, 12,000%. No problem. You literally make no sense. All I hear was Coop smokes weed. What? You brought up Coop, bro. You brought up Coop. You asked what happened with Coop. Coop is a little girl who got offended because I told him the truth. He should stop smoking weed while he's trading. He got mad about that. He starts promoting one of his friends online. I said, hey, you probably shouldn't do that. I also said, hey, you should stop having little girly conversations behind the scenes because you want to, oh, boo-hoo. Vinny's so mean. He told me the truth. Boo-hoo. I'm taking down my review video of him. Okay.
Fib.NQ on the 2.
So you violate our policies, you break our rules in our room, you don't have any respect for it, so I don't have any respect for you. You expect me to still have respect for a man who can't even have respect for basic rules, basic common courtesy. Hey, and stop promoting scammers. We're all done with the scammers, bro. I expose scammers for a reason. We're done with them. You're using my brokey joke because you're a brokey, and now you're coming in here using my joke saying, you guys are a bunch of brokies? Bro, that's my joke. It's not funny when you say it. It's only funny when I say it. Because when I say it, it's true about you.
Enigma long on the NQ on the 9. Fib.NQ on the 2. Fib.NQ on the 2.
Bro, people here actually trade. That's the beautiful thing. Right? They don't need a hand holding. Like, the system is there for them. They can trade anytime they want. You don't need to wait for me. Andrew Tate's joke your joke. Bro, can you please learn English?
Fib.NQ on the 34.
64 viewers, remind yourself. Remind myself of what? That I don't live stream on a regular basis. If I did, then there would be plenty of people here, I'm sure. You're even the one coming over here asking, hey, what's the schedule? What's the point? Yeah, we don't, I don't know what he's asking for either, Chris. It's weird. I think the market cares about your feelings. Vinny's the only mentor that cares. Thank you.
Enigma long on the NQ2.
He said something about something didn't happen in 2 years. What didn't happen in 2 years? Yeah, why is he saying that view count means success? That's for YouTubers. Like, you can only be one or the other. I'm either a YouTuber or I'm a trader. Which one is it? Like, you can't have it both ways here. Makes no sense. I make $0 from YouTube. Mentioned this hundreds of times. You don't have to imagine this guy being a father. I am a father, and you can see what a great time my kids have on my Twitter feed if you go have a look. They're awesome. And I protect them from idiots like you. And I'm willing to go and stand in the gap against any scumbag who thinks they're going to threaten my family. And I make them pay. It's very simple. Macro Hedge did it. Put them out of business. Day Trader Paradise did it. They're basically out of business. They're Rocket Scooter now. And I've got them in court right now, and he's not paying his legal bills. His legal team just dropped him on the 29th in November. I'm willing to put my money where my mouth is. Are you? The subscriber count, I actually bought this YouTube channel because I have money to do so. And I bought this YouTube channel just to prove a point. that subscriber count doesn't matter. Isn't that funny? Like, I'm trolling you with your own troll. Because y'all are like, oh yeah, Vinny, ICT has more subscribers than you. I'm like, you think that matters? You think that matters? That's funny. That's funny. Well, next year, if he gets into a trading competition this time, if he doesn't back out this time, you will see me absolutely decimate him. Some things take a little bit of time. They're not microwavable for you. And yes, if he gets in a trading competition and trades over time and doesn't just cherry pick a trade and throw a video out, yeah, he's made the mistake of jumping into a trading competition with me. Do we have a 100% success rate with that? Or putting everyone who's ever traded in a competition against us out of business? Eddie, catch me on that. Let's see. Oats to 1 million. Are they still around? That guy Michael Oats, Oats to 1 million. First trading competition. No, he blew his account on less than 6 months. I continued on and did a 2-year track record.
DCD.
Fully verified on Collective 2. Beat that one and he's gone. Number 2. Oh, no. We do not have a 100% track record. Sorry. We beat Ross Cameron. Ross Cameron's still around. Warrior Trading. They're still around. Macro Hedge, trading competition. Boom. Done. Out of business. How many are here? Are you equating my trading success with the number of people who are coming to a live stream that's not necessary? Let me remind everyone, my live streams are not necessary because we have a software product that is different from all of these gurus like ICT who they desperately need ICT's interpretation of what the market is doing at any given moment. At least that's what they feel like. And again, he's created that illusion of nonsense, right? But he gets people to believe that. And so therefore he has a lot of people coming because they're desperate. They're like, well, this shit doesn't work when I do it on my own. See, ours is the different. Ours works when I'm not here. Our system works, does not require a me. I had a trade copy service on Collective 2 during the entire thing. Are you not aware of that? Not yet one success story. Actually, there are multiples. You can go out there and look at the video on KC's that's out there on a public recording. There are many people in our room, but they're inside of Discord. Like that doesn't... You want me to go and ask them, bother someone to come out here and do the same old thing. We need testimonials. Bro, testimonials are so much crap. I am so sick of testimonials. Testimonials don't mean anything. If it means something to you, I mean, maybe I'll reassess. You guys tell me. Let's put it in the chat. If you guys think that seeing testimonials would help, and again, I do not mind. I am here to be wrong, okay? If you guys really think that we need to hear from people who want to come out and tell us about their success story with AlgoBox, type it in the chat. Okay, let's do this. A 1 and a 2 scenario. Very easy. If you think it would be helpful to have interviews with people who are successful with AlgoBox, type a 1 in the chat. If you don't think that testimonials are valuable to that, type a 2. And again, I know I've already kind of pushed the bias, but don't. Imagine, forget what I said, forget what I think. Really, you ask yourself in your heart, I am taking genuine answers and responses. If you guys want to see interviews from people here, I will bother our community and ask them if anyone would like to come and share their story with AlgoBox. Is that what you need to hear? Let me know. 1s or 2s? 1s, yes, you'd like to hear the success stories. 2, it doesn't matter. How is that childish? You just asked me for that and I just gave it to you. Again, you fail logic. If you failed with my system, it doesn't surprise me. You're obviously a moron. It's 100% obvious. George brings up a great question. Isn't the Discord testimonial channel enough? I think that results matter. I don't care what people say. I think that results matter. That's what I've said. I think that your P&L stories are everything. Now, does it mean it's 100% success for everybody? No. And I've told people already, like, it's a 50-50 thing here. There are people who can learn, there are people who can do this, and there are people who can't. It's a 50-50. But the markets is still better, in my opinion, than the 90% failure rate of standard trader going in at it alone. Thanks to Tosima. Yeah, on occasion. That failed logic, listen to what he's saying. What? Not one person here wants to hear a success story. That is retarded. Don Trady, can you at least admit before you go, because you're like, oh, okay, be back in 12 months. We'll see if one person made it. Okay. You said you bought Algobox. Can you admit that you're lying about that? Can you just say, I just said that because you wanted to troll? Admit it. Did you actually buy our system? Question 1. I'm genuinely interested. Did you actually buy the system? The second question would be, did you actually go through the training videos? Did you make it through the video series? And if you were lying about all of it and you're just here to troll because you don't like me, that's great. That's fine. I'm just genuinely curious. Nope, you can get it free anyway. What is that supposed to mean? Thank you, Dave. Yes, people want someone to agree with them and tell them their position is going to the moon instead of truth and putting in the work. This professional system with confluence and track record. Thank you. Yes. Okay, so you admit you did not buy the system and you admit that you did not go through training and that you lied about it earlier. Great. Thank you. All right, folks, there we go. So the only reason I even gave him the time of the day to begin with was because he started out, and he probably did that on purpose to say, hey, I bought the system. And no, you didn't. No, you didn't. No, I don't care about the trolls, right? If you're just outside and you don't know, then I get it. I understand why you don't get it. But if you said that you bought the system and you went through the program, it didn't work. Okay, well now, well, I doubt that. Again, I very much doubt that. Otherwise, you wouldn't be saying things like, oh yeah, that red, because that green Enigma didn't work right there. What? Like that has nothing to do. No, not every single Enigma is the winner. It's not pre-filtered. You can turn on other filters for it if you like. And there is still a strategy and a system around it. You have to take high time frame into account, and you have to look at where the MACV is currently located right here. And you would know that if you went through the training and the programs, but I get it if you don't get it because you just want to come out here and troll. So what are you upset about? Who do you think is better? Let's start there. That way we can find out who you represent. Is this Coop in disguise? Coop smoked a little ganja today and was like, oh, you know what? I'm going to go over there and talk to that Vinny again. He told me to stop smoking ganja. I'm going to smoke a blunt and come over here and troll him in his comments. Is that you, Coop? Okay, you did not do the program. Well, thank you. Thank you for the admission. Okay, so now I'm asking you, what is better than Algobox? Give us a name. Let's see who you truly want to represent here. Who is better than Algobox and our system? Or me and my toxic behavior? Name it. I'll go look for myself. Yes, our system is designed to put things together. They're each individually strong, but you put a couple of things together that are strong to take the trade. I think it's very clear for anybody with a brain. You're going to make a video about this chat and how Vincent replies to have a line. Replies to have a line. Y'all, I cannot even understand this person. Like, is English hard? When did English become hard? Why is this a hard question? Name one trading group that is better. Why is this hard? Why is it hard for you to answer? Patrick Wieland. Okay, there we go. Okay. And this game is over. This guy's retarded. Well, he also likes to smoke a lot and do drugs. So you guys are in the same boat, bro. All right, case closed. Case closed. All right. Nutty Trading Bar had 200 viewers and he was losing money. Wait, how does that make any sense? Again, so you're back to the viewer count. So viewer count, and then you say that the guy lost, so he has more viewers but lost and he had more viewers. Again, you make no sense. All right, bro, thanks for proving that the trolls still have not found their brains. Makes no sense. It's a good one. And you said you're going to make a video. Hey, are you that 13 prosperity, like, I don't even know if it's Asian, Filipino, whatever, broken English guy that makes those videos? Is that you?
Fib.NQ on the one.
Wing more guys. You're so successful, dude. Like, I really have to record the conversation here. Let's pop this chat out. We gotta record like the broken level English of the individuals who come here to troll. This is great right here. Wing more guys. You're so successful. Wing. I don't even know what this is. Is this a word in your language, bro? Not salty. I'll remind you, I said have 2 days go for that. Okay. I'm gonna just take some screenshots along all this. Like, this is just funny. This is comedy, pure comedy. It'd be funny to remind ourselves later on. Okay, there we go. Can't spell, can't speak, but he's the smart guy. All right, thanks for the chat, troll. I'll catch you guys in the next one. We've got training videos, updated training videos coming out. Going to be looking a little bit like this. I'll give you guys a tour of the style. So the mentorship program kind of come around like this. We'll go to each individual point on the syllabus. There are approximately 300 items in there. So it's a bit of a daunting task. Some of them we may be able to group together, but as we go into 2024, those updated training videos are going to be there, and we're going to destroy ICT next year. Thanks for hanging out. For me, Pippi, Robbie, Lunchbot, Modjwad, Curtis G, and the rest of the gang, I am sitting out of the big H town. See ya.